See you soon. See You Soonicorn by Sam Sampson and Richard Merritt. Simon the unicorn loved his forest friends. He loved them a lot, and they loved him too. Look, it's Simon. Do you want a hug? Hey, Simon, let's play. You're the very best friends a unicorn could have. You're fun and kind. Great to see you, Simon. Can you find here? 6 Simon's best friends. I can see them. So 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6 friends the Simon has. But Simon had a problem. He wanted an adventure, a big, exciting unicorn adventure. There was nothing for it. He would have to leave his best friends behind. I'll miss you, Giggly Nace. I'll miss you, Clip Cloppy Hooves. I'll miss stomping with you. I miss telling you jokes. I'll miss you, rainbow sparkles. I'll just miss you. Oh, what can you see here? What are these? These are books. Can you tell me? How many books can you see here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 books here. See you Soonicorn, Simon the unicorn. Cried Simon's friends. See you Soonicorn, called Simon. I'll be back before you know it. And with a swish of his rainbow tail, Simon was off. Sniff, I miss him already. Love you, Simon. Don't be a stranger. I'm so sad. Come back soon. Have fun, my friend. Can you find here 4 hearts? Let's find it. Find them. 2, 3. And where is the fourth one? Oh, I can't see. I don't know. Maybe you can find me. Katie was excitement. Simon galloped out of the forest, across the river, up the hill, over the rainbow, and far, far away. First, Simon had dinner with a dragon. This is a dragon, yeah? That was well cooked. Burnt is my specialty. Then he swam with the mermicorns. I can swim. Yay! Can you find here 9 butterflies? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And where is number 1? Number 9? I can't find. Oopsie. Simon played football with llamacorns. What a star! Goal! And he went snowboarding with the Yeti. I say go right. Whoa! He took a hot air balloon ride with the dragon. You can never meet too many dragons. Poof! I met you, brother. And he even went skydiving with their winged horse. Whee! Hold on, Simon. Can you find 3 rainbows here? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Simon's big
wildest dreams. But deep down he missed his forest friends and their everyday fun. What was I thinking, staying away for so long? Sighed Simon. I miss my friends a lot. I miss Mouse and her bedtime tales. I miss Pretty Bird hooting in the night. I miss Funny Fox and his terrible jokes. I miss Wolfie howling
at the moon. I miss stomping and dancing with moose, and I miss bears' big hugs all the time. Adventures are exciting and new and fun, said Simon. But friends are the best. It was time to go home. But which way was home? Simon was good at all kinds of things, but he was very bad in remembering. And now it's nearly the end of the book. We can't leave Simon here. Can you help Simon? Go back, a page at a time. Find all the hidden items on each page to help Simon find his way home again. You can do it. Let's find one here. This one, yeah? Good job, kids.